Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I went from this to this using the Lime Crime Unicorn Hair Semi-Permanent Hair Dye in the color Chocolate Cherry.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't want to be.
So let's get started. I'm going to be using the Unicorn Hair Bleach Party Bleach Powder with the developer. I will have these both linked down in the description box for you guys. And then also on the Lime Crime's website, they have the little bowl and the brush. I really like this brush because you can apply the color or bleach with this and then comb through with the brush. So yeah, I'm going to be using that. And then obviously you guys are seeing by the title, I'm going to be using the color Chocolate Cherry. This is what the little jar looks like. Well, it's not little, it's actually a pretty big jar. I think I'll probably use half of this and that will be really good for my color. But I am gonna pre-lighten my hair. I think it would be a lot darker if I just applied it over this. It'll show up really pretty, but I really wanna make it like pop, and yeah, I just want it to look brighter. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so now I'm taking the bleach and we about to go in. I really hate my freaking bathroom fan. If I turn it off, it gets super dark, so I have to keep it on. For this bleaching process, I wanted to let you guys know that this is not a tutorial. Normally, I would go in with some foils, but I was on a time crunch. I was trying to get my hair done for my birthday, and I just rushed the process. And if you guys say, why do you just not go to the salon and get it done? For one, I saved myself some money. Two, I always end up crying coming out of the salon because they messed up my hair. I don't know, I guess I'm picky with how people do my hair, and I don't want to spend that much money and end up crying. If I'm going to be crying, it's because I did something, okay? So this is just how I'm doing my hair right now. I'm applying the bleach a little bit higher than the pre-lightened areas. I did want to take this color up higher so that it's overall like brighter. I do start at the bottom and work my way up because the bottom is going to take a little bit longer to process. And with the 20 developer, it's lightening slower. So always start with a 20. I rather use a 20. Unless you work pretty fast, then you can definitely use a 30 developer, but I always use 20. This bleach is not going to go up too many levels. So the goal is to get to a level 7, which I knew I was going to. I'll show you guys the different levels of blonde that there is. And again, I reached a level around the level 7, which is the reason why my hair color ended up looking like it does. So if you guys try this hair color, it might look different than mine depending on what level you reach of blonde. I'm also using the brush, the bristles of the brush, to really soften up going towards the root area. I didn't want to get the roots because I have a sensitive scalp. Not only that, but I'm losing a lot of hair, so I'm trying to keep things off of my scalp right now. So I tried to go in and do like a feathering effect with the brush as much as I could. I can see in this video that I definitely missed a lot, and it made me really nervous after watching this video, but I mean, the results speak for themselves. I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. Alrighty, so I just got done doing my entire hair, well, at least the bleaching process, because this is going to be a long night. Right now, I have to wait about 30 to 40 minutes for my hair to lighten, and then I'm going to take a shower, and once I'm out of the shower, I'm going to go in with the Chocolate Cherry Semi-Permanent Hair Dye. I'm so excited about this, like nervous but excited, so we'll see. I'll check in with you guys as soon as I am out of the shower. So I'm going to shower after the 40 minutes are up, 30 to 40 minutes, and depending on how this is lightening up, you guys can already see that this piece right here is definitely lightening up. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys shortly. Okay, so we are 40 minutes later, and take these clips out. You guys can see my hair definitely lightened up already. Woo! sure it's all warm. There it is. So I just wanted to show you guys very quickly before I go wash it out. So yeah, let's go do that. Like right now. I just got out of the shower. This is what my hair is looking like. I am going to be using this protein filler from Ion. My ends lose the color of whatever hair dye I'm using, so that's why I'm using the protein filler. So this is going to help the color stay into my hair because it just washes out super quickly. So we're going to go in with this. I've already towel dried my hair. So I guess let me just brush it first. I'm using the wet brush because, oh girl, my hair, I cannot use any other brush. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply it. I'm gonna take some on my hand. I'm gonna grab my hair and just begin to apply it in here. It smells really good, by the way. Super good. Focus a lot of it on my ends. I'm gonna let it sit like this for 20 minutes. I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna dry my hair, and then we're gonna move into putting on the hair dye. All right, so I just blow dried my hair. This is how blonde I got. Again, I wanted to keep my roots dark because I have a very sensitive scalp. So yeah, let me show you guys the back. Back. Okay, so I'm going to begin to apply the semi-permanent hair color. Again, this one is in chocolate cherry. I'm going to have to change back into my hair dyeing shirt, so BRB. Okay, so that's how much we have inside of the bowl. You guys can see. Right about now, I was using the brush to apply the dye on my hair, but then realized that it would just be easier for me to put my hand inside the jar and just start applying it everywhere where we are blonde. So that's exactly what I'm doing. It's a lot faster this way. And yeah, it doesn't really matter if I get it onto my roots because my roots are already dark. This color will not show up as much on that dark area. So yeah, I just started applying it everywhere, and that is what I did. For best results, start with clean, unconditioned dry hair. Full coverage shades work best with pre-bleached platinum to medium blonde hair and a tint of color to dark blonde and light brown hair. Leave full coverage shades in for 30 minutes, no heat, no cap required. Okay, so 30 minutes. I'm gonna let this process and I will come back with you guys. Or actually, I'm gonna take a shower after the 30 minutes. I'm scared. Okay, and this is the finished look. These are the results of using the Lime Crime Chocolate Cherry Semi-Permanent Hair Dye. I absolutely love this hair color. It's really vibrant. It is definitely out of my element. I mean, I've had green hair in the past. I've had blue hair. I've had purple hair. I've tried to rock pink hair once, but I didn't like it. This one is a different story. I definitely love it. It's a fun color to use, you know, just for the spring. It's only here for the spring. And then I'm going to probably go black, but I love this color. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are down below in the comments. Will you try something like this? Let me know. I'm going to leave you guys with my latest uploads linked over to the sides. You can click on any of these videos to continue to hang out with me and get to know me better. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.